everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a very exciting video. I have wanted to film this for a very long time, but I was waiting for the package to come in and it finally did. Today I'm going to be reviewing the wildflower case. If you don't know what wildflower cases are, which I'm sure most of you guys do, they're one of the most popular cases on Instagram that I have seen. Most YouTubers and celebrities that they have these cases. So today I'm going to be reviewing them to see what is all the hype about and if they are really worth the money. And so we're gonna get right into this video and unbox these cases. Keep on watching. Okay, so they came in this package. I ripped it open because I was too excited. I haven't actually looked at the cases yet. I was like, man, I need to set up for a video. So inside, as you can see, there's two black boxes. So I'm just gonna pull them out. So I'm just gonna tell you which ones I got. I got the marble one, which you can kind of see. It has like a sticker. And then I also got the TANA one. TANA is one of my favorite YouTubers. And this case came out, I think in April, and I just never got around to getting it. wildflowercases.com. And I'm just going to read just what they have, like a description of the case. So they are $37 US. So it was a little bit more pricey for me to get two of them. Two cases, it came to $75, but because I am Canadian, it came to $93. Woo! That's pricey. I'm just gonna scroll down to see what the description is. So it says it's one of a kind limited edition phone case. It has durable protective outer sandblasted polyurethane black rubber bumper, and it's jeweled with our custom signature silver wildflower emblem, and it has all around protection with a raised bumper in front of the phone as layers of a screen protector. Okay, I'm just gonna put up my phone here and kind of just scroll down with some of the cases. This is the one I got, just so you can see some of the cases yourselves. And that's the one I got. So they have lots of variety. They have a lot of cases out there, but I don't know if they're worth the $93. Like, it's time to look at the cases themselves. So they come in this black box. This is what it looks like. It looks kind of nice actually, and you can see the phone case basically through there. So on the front, it just says what case you got. I have 7+. So this one's good for 6+, 7+, and 8+. It says wildflower and limited edition phone cases. So it has like this little like ribbon tab that I'm assuming you pop open. And just on the side it says share the hashtag wildflower love. And just on the back, it basically just gives this long description of like how it was made. And yeah, that's kind of neat. I'm not gonna get into all this detail. Anyways, I'm just gonna open this tab. So inside it comes with stickers. This is the case itself. It just has the double dice and like this fiery checkered print, and it's yellow, which is super cute. Inside, this is kind of like a felt. It's like really smooth and like, I don't know. It's really nice material. Like I feel like I'm opening like a necklace, honestly. So inside, I'm just gonna pull the case out so you can take a look at that. It just has this little tab thing that says follow and grow with us, and gives all the links of all their social medias, which I will have linked below for you guys if I have not already mentioned that 1,000 times. So inside, it's just kind of like a transparent, you can see the dice. It's kind of like a fabric material, which is really nice. And then it has a wildflower thing. It just says wildflower on the side, and then it does have that emblem that's right there. So I'm gonna pop this on my phone just so you guys can see what it looks like on the phone, and I'm tempted to look too. It's on my phone. It's really nice actually, I like it. I really like the design, it looks really cute. So this is the TANA one. This is the one that she had with the collaboration of it. So all in all, I like it. It does have a little bit of a raised bumper here. I don't know if you can kind of see that, kind of not, but that will definitely help protect your screen. All in all, I'm very impressed. So now I'm just gonna quickly open the marble one again, and I'll pop it on my phone and I will be right back. All right, so this is what the marble one looks like. Super nice. I really like it with the rose gold phone. It looks super cute. And yeah, they all in all, they have like a really nice design. This is like a hard like plastic, so I don't think it's gonna scratch. I don't think it, like if it gets dirty, you can just rub it off. So I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the wildflower cases. Do I think they're worth the price? I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence, to be honest. I see why they're so expensive. They are clearly like really good material. I can see what all the hype is about because they are super cute, and I like how they have a lot of collaboration with people on YouTube. I think that's really neat. So I can see why they're expensive. Personally, for me, I don't think they're worth almost $100. Like compared to OtterBox cases or other cases, I don't know if these two together are worth almost $100. But if you guys live in the US and it's $75, then I don't know, that's kind of still pricey, but I guess it's up to you. Like I can see where you're getting like your worth out of them. They don't look like they're gonna break. All in all, they're really, really nice. They're kind of cute, so I'm probably gonna be wearing it for a while. I would rate these cases out of 10, probably a 9.5. Now, if they were just a little bit less like pricey, around the $20-25 mark, then I'd probably give it a 10, because all in all it is good quality. But again, that price, like come on, that's dang expensive with shipping. Like good thing I got free shipping. But anyways, that's it for the video. If you'd like to follow me on my journey on my social medias, I'll link them down below, along with all the wildflower links if you'd like to try out these cases yourself. I also have another case coming from Velvet Caviar, I believe that is what the brand is. If you'd like to see a review on that case and unboxing, just kind of like the one that we did here, then let me know down in the comments. And if you have any video requests that you would like to see from me, then just link it down below. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Mwah. Have a good week.